Good morning, children. Okay. Again, today discuss about surface area and values, cube and cuboid. Part 2. In before classes, we discussed about what is two-dimensional diagrams and what is three-dimensional diagrams. Also discussed. Okay. So and one more thing. So what is total surface area and what is lateral surface area? Also we discussed in previous classes. Next, we discussed about lateral surface area of a cuboid. In earlier classes, we discussed already total surface area of a cuboid. So now let us discuss about lateral surface area of a cuboid. Okay. In previous classes, we discussed total surface area. Already we have to prove also, geometrically proof also discussed. So what is total surface area of a cuboid? The formula of total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 bracket of LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, this topic already discussed. Now we discuss about lateral surface area of a cuboid. So already we discussed what is a lateral surface area. For example, we have to take this classroom. Here 4 corners and top and bottom is there. We have to exclude, means we have to remove top and bottom. So we have to remove top and bottom, means that is a lateral surface area of a cuboid. Okay. For example, say we have to take this toothpaste box. This is a 3-dimensional figure. So this is a toothpaste box. This is a 3-dimensional figure. Okay, this one is length, this one is breadth, so this one is height. So this is top and this one is bottom. So what we do here? So we have to remove top and bottom. Okay, but we have to exclude top and bottom, means we have to remove top as well as bottom. What will happen? Only 4 sides is there. We have to calculate 4 sides. That is lateral surface area of a cuboid. Means this is a cuboid box. Okay. So we have to remove this one top as well as bottom. So what will happen? Only 1, 2, 3, 4 corners is there. We have to calculate that 4 corners. So that we have to do lateral surface area of a particular cuboid. So we have to, as well as we have to cut one side of the corner of this cuboid box. Means we have to cut any one side of the cuboid box. So what will happen? Means this is the actually open format. In previous class also we discussed in total surface area, but lateral surface area also same. But what is the difference between total surface area and lateral surface area? Means in total surface area we have to calculate top and bottom. In lateral surface area we have to exclude, means we have to remove top and bottom. Remaining part we have to calculate. Understand? So this is the, we have to cut any one corner of this cuboid box, means this is the actually open format. Understood? So in this lateral surface area we have to remove, means we have to exclude top as well as bottom. Understood? So this is the Okay, this is the open format of this cuboid task. What will happen here? We have to remove top and bottom. So no need to draw this top as well as bottom. Why? Because this is a lateral surface area. In this lateral surface area, we have to remove top and bottom. Next, so we have to calculate this area 1, area 2, area 3 and area 4. So it is divided into 4 parts. Means this is the 4 phases. Okay. So this one is first phase. This is the second phase. This one is third phase. And last one, this one is fourth phase. Here we have to calculate area of 4 phases and add it. So we get lateral surface area of a cuboid. Okay. So this is the AR means area of a first figure. Okay. This is area of second figure. This one is area of third figure. This one is area of fourth figure. So we have to calculate only 4 phases. Why? Because we have to calculate only lateral surface area of a cuboid. Understood? So here this one is as well as length. We have to observe in this toothpaste box. This is length. This one is breadth. This one is height. We have to write these dimensions only. Okay? So why? Because we have to observe in this box. These are in the shape of rectangular shape. Okay? Where the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, means L into B. So this is length. This one is breadth, as well as this one is length. This one is breadth. So the remaining are the same. Opposite sides also is same. So this one is length as well as this one is breadth. Again this one is length. So this one is breadth. What about this one? This one is height. So this is height of the cuboid box. This corners 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the height of this particular cuboid. So now let us take, we have to calculate 4 areas of this particular region. Okay, so first area and second area, third area, last one is fourth area. So we get the lateral surface area of a cuboid. So therefore, area 1 of a rectangle. Actually, no need. This is a shape in rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle? So L into B. So this is the area of a rectangle 1. This one is area of a rectangle 2. This one is area of a rectangle 3. This one is area of a rectangle 4. We have to calculate these 4 areas and we are adding. So we get lateral surface area of a cuboid. So area of rectangle 1. R is short form. Rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2 plus area of rectangle 3 plus area of rectangle 4. What about the top and bottom? In previous class we have to add or we have to calculate top and bottom also. But here we do not calculate top and bottom. Why? Because this is a lateral surface area. If we have to calculate total surface area, means we have to add one more two things, that is top and bottom we have to also add. So that is a total surface area of a cuboid. But this one is a lateral surface area, so we need not to add top as well as bottom. So therefore, this is the area 1. So this is the shape of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Actually length into breadth. What is length here? L into breadth H. Okay, so L into H. This is the first rectangle area. What about second rectangle area? Again length into breadth. What is the length here? B into, this one is first side B, other side is what H. Means B into H plus what about area of third rectangle? L into H. Next, lastly, fourth side of a rectangle is equal to B into H is equal to L into H means LH plus B into H means BH plus L into H means LH, again B into H means BH. So here 1 LH plus 1 LH. 1 LH plus 1 LH means 1 plus 1 2. 2 LH. Plus 1 BH. BH means 1 BH plus 1 BH is equal to 2 BH. Here, what is common? Common thing here, 2 is and 2 is also common. Means it is having in both sides. Next, H and H is also common. So 2 and H we have to remove outside. We have to remove 2H outside means what is remaining here? L plus B. So this is the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Understood? Therefore, what is conclusion here? So here we get three formulas. So in previous class we discussed about total surface area and value. In this class we have to calculate a lateral surface area of a cuboid. Therefore we have to write conclude means therefore volume of a cuboid is equal L into B into H. We have to multiply 3 dimensions. Okay, C is equal to LBH. So next one, total T surface area of cuboid is equal 2 bracket of LB plus BH plus HH. Lastly, lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2H bracket of L plus B. These are the important topic about regarding cuboid. Okay, thank you, children.